Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. How y'all doing today? We're out here at the Avon Park Field, or the Avon Park Aero Modelers Association. We're going to be taking up a plane that I haven't flown in a coon's age. It's been forever. MAL M7 right there. Actually had her packed up and wing off and everything in my mothball fleet, and I thought, well, you know what, I haven't flown that plane in forever. Let's put her back together, get her rebound, trimmed up, make sure everything's just so on her, and did all the pre-flight maintenance. And I'm going to take her up. Already did my range test. Let's do our control surface test. We got right aileron, we got left aileron, we got up elevator, down elevator, we got right rudder and left rudder. I have my rates at 100% throws over 30% expo on all control surfaces. My flap system, what I've got set up for my flap, I'm going to try this as my starting point. For on a DX9 or on a Spectrum, I don't know if you can see it, for up flaps is a negative 100% with no elevator. Landing flaps, and you can see it, that's landing flaps, is 50% with 11% down elevator. And then landing flaps is almost all the way down, and that's positive 40% with 22% down elevator. So there again, up flaps is a negative 100% straight. Landing or takeoff flaps is a negative 50% with 11% down elevator. And landing flaps is positive 40% with a positive 22% down elevator. And that's my starting point. We'll see how that works and see what it does. But we've done everything. Let's get her up in the air. I'm running a Reaction 2800 4S in her. Like I said, I haven't flown this plane in forever. Boy, you can definitely see them lights right now with that cloudy sky. This looks like she needs a little bit of up trim.
Landing flaps.
I think I like that mix for landing flaps.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Like I said, I'm just getting her trimmed out, so if I'm flying kind of wonky, be patient with me. Oh, she'll fly slow too, won't she? Doesn't seem to be dropping much with that elevator mix. I got the flaps all the way down, which all it's going to do is just slow her down, which is what you want. And of course, you got them big old tires. So, oh. Okay. That's a little embarrassing. And that, I didn't completely cut my throttle. That was what you heard there, the ESC trying to turn that prop. Don't do that. If you're propping the ground, turn your power all the way up. All right, let's try takeoff flaps.
Flaps up.
Yeah.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, I like that mix.
Flaps up.
I just put my landing flaps on, and she stayed nice and straight, which means she's going to stay nice. You know, she's going to slow down nice for you for that approach. There are no flaps in right now. So let's get her turned around. Oh, she's flying so good. Of course, today's a really windy day, so And I got a little bit of a cross breeze. So let's bring her in. Gotta fight that. No flap landing. Well, that was not planned. I can't claim that. That was not planned. That was a bounce and go. Let's actually land with flaps this time. Wind is very unpredictable today, that's for sure. Not that the wind is ever all that predictable anyways. Definitely having to stay on that rudder, that's for sure. There we go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I remember one time, long time ago, when I was doing a maneuver like that, one of them struts on this plane snapped. I heard it snap, and it was just flopping. The only thing holding that wing on were those two screws, and of course the spar. But on this particular plane, the struts are functional. What was I going to say? But yeah, the struts are functional. You need to, well, the light's really nice. You need to make sure you check your screws. Everything is a 2mm hex drive. See if I can just hover over the ground there. What a fun plane.
1 minute. Flaps up. Seconds.
All right, let's see if we can't. That's a 5-minute timer.
Seconds.
See if we can't get a good landing with her with no flaps. All right. Love them lights. All right. 15 seconds on a 5-minute timer. So what is that? 4 minutes and 35 seconds? No, 50 or 45 seconds. All right. So
Motor off.
motor off. Another nice thing about this plane is she is a top loader. Runs on 3-cell or 4-cell. I will demonstrate here in a little while on another flight how well she does on 3-cell, but I'll be honest, I don't think I've ever flown her on 3-cell. Now, if I can get this battery out, I can tell you how much life we got. Okay. All right. That is a 2800. 46% left. Perfect. And that is a 2800 4S. Fits in there perfect. And I don't know if y'all remember watching my earlier videos from a way back with this plane. I had a problem with intermittent power loss with it. The motor just cut out randomly when I was flying, and it kicked right back on, but it was just, you know, so it was a bad ESC. and it's long since after I long bought the plane, so I wasn't worried about that. So I replaced it with a 45 amp Avian Smart ESC. Now I haven't gone there and programmed the reverse thrust and all that kind of stuff, but that's what I did, and of course she flies great and reliably. All right, well folks, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, really appreciate it. Love y'all so much for watching my videos. God bless and goodbye.